Hello guys, let's start with another problem, that is pattern 15 on the GFG problem solving codes. So here the pattern is like this. This is inverted left angled triangle. Am I correct? I am absolutely correct guys. So in an inverted left angled triangle, what is happening? The output pattern prints first row n times first row with n characters. N is the input. Here it is 5. So first row 5 characters, then second row 4, third row 3, fourth row 2, and fifth row 1 in an inverted order. How could we do that? The first thing is how to resolve the printing pattern. Is it the first thing? No guys. The first thing is same as the previous pattern problems we have solved. Do we again have to follow the same rules? 3 rules that we have to use. 1. Nested loop. The first loop represents the number of row and the second loop represents the number of column in each row. Is it? Yeah guys, it's same. So what we'll do, we'll make a nested loop such that I starts from 1 till n I plus plus for representing the number of rows, and I star j, and the another nested loop starts from 1 till. What about till guys? It is n. So let's take a variable a which stores value of n, the input, and j plus plus, such that we have to print the characters, capital character C, and in each row, according to each row, with the increase of each column in it, it is incrementing. So we are going to increment it. In each column, the character itself is incrementing. So we have to initialize character C above the number of column loop, for loop, that is inner loop of the nested 2 loops. Got it? With capital A. Then we have to change our row using system.out.println. Got it guys? Apart from that, each time as soon as the number of row decrements, the number of printing each character in another row also decrements. So a minus minus. Got it guys? What we are doing, we are again following the rules for printing the pattern. 3 rules, that is, it should contain one nested for loop, that is, the first for loop represent, that is the outer for loop represents the number of rows, the inner for loop represents the number of columns, and according to that we are printing our pattern. Okay, inside we are printing each character such that the characters increment one by one as soon as the column increments in that particular row. Got it? And as soon as the one row completes, the second row character decrement. Okay, number of characters to be printed also decrement. Got it? So let's try to run it. Yeah, it is working absolutely fine. Let's try to submit it. Yes, it is submitting absolutely fine. Guys, here is the catch. Do I need to initialize A with N for printing in inverted order the left angle triangle? No. What can I do? Think about it guys. What can I do? What if I start my number of rows from n till 1 in reverse order? It is I is greater than equals to 1 and I minus minus, what will happen guys? Instead of looping around from 1 to n, this I already represents n, and each time it is decrementing as soon as our first row is being printed. So till I it will move and it will print. So there is no need for variable a. Got it? Let's try to run it. Yeah, it is running absolutely fine. Let's customize, add 7 to it. Let's see our output, what it's coming. For the 5 it is showing absolutely correct. For the 7 it is also showing from 1 to a to g in the first row, a to f in the second row, a to e in the third row, a to d in the fourth row, a to c in the fifth row, a and b in the sixth, and a in the last seventh row in the reverse order, inverted order. Got it guys? It's absolutely correct. Let's try to submit it. Yeah, it is working absolutely fine. I already submitted it 3-4 times, so I'm not getting marks, but for sure you will get if you are solving it for the first time. So guys, did you got it how we are dealing with printing the characters by using only these two for loops, the nested loops, such that we do not need to initialize or use any other variable. Got it? We are looping around the first loop in a reverse order such that we can print our left angle triangle in an inverted order. Got it? Got it guys? This is how we have to think and put our logic so that it is optimized in some way. See, this is not a very high level of optimization, but here's how we move across that we are not using too many variables or something like that, and that's how we are doing it. What about the time and space complexity? If I talk about the space complexity guys, it is same. It's big O of 1, that is constant. And what about the time complexity guys? Think about it. What about the time complexity? So here the rows are printing from n plus n minus 1 plus n minus 2 plus n minus 3 plus till 2 plus 1, that is equals to same arithmetic progression, that is n into n plus 1 divided by 2, that is equals to big O of n square. Got it guys? So the time complexity here again is big O of n. It's such that the first loop is printing n characters, the first row is printing n characters, the second row is printing n minus 1, the third row is printing n minus 2. So it is printing in reverse order, in an inverted order, but the time complexity is same, and hence the for loop is also moving in inverted order from n till 1, because we have to print in first row all the n elements, then in second row n minus 1. So that's how it is working. That's it guys. Please solve the quiz at the last. Please, it will help you out a lot. And please like and subscribe my channel. Please, it will help me a lot. Bye bye.